Now that my hair's dry, it's looking kind of crazy. Anyway, hey you guys, we are out thrifting again. I was watching some of my favorite YouTubers do thrifts with me, so I was like really inspired to go and also do a thrift with me. So here we go. I have a really cute little crazy outfit on, but I think all my lady friends at the thrift stores will think I look fabulous. I'm feeling fabulous. I'm a little nervous. I'm excited to find some really cute stuff. I have to be really picky today. I don't have a lot of money. I feel like the headband's kind of too much, but then my hair is crazy. So, starting off in the dresses, there was a couple cute striped options, but nothing too special. I like the doily embroidery on this dress. Another leopard print dress with like this belt on the waist. And I'm pretty sure I've shown this dress before. Look at the bows. So cute. Then in the skirts, there's just a few cute floral prints. Always perfect for spring and summer. This is everything that I picked up that caught my eye. This like pinstripe dress. I like this button up with these floral embroidery. This Ralph Lauren top with this like ruffled neckline. These polka dot shorts. This leopard print top was cute. I like the little bow detail. And this sleeveless Ralph Lauren top with this ruffled neckline. I didn't get any of those things. I like this polka dot ruffled top. And this silk top was super pretty, nice and shiny. And this eyelet lace top was beautiful. I love the chest. And this cowl neck polka dot top, really nice. I liked the graphics on this bag. And a couple cute bags. This bag kind of reminded me of rain boots. And I liked this suede little crossbody. It's really nice. Hello. Look at this thing. That's how I feel. The next stop is pretty quick. I like this kind of paisley Y2K top with these O-rings on the shoulders. Nice little brown plaid top. I like this little floral print sort of cardigan style top. And another little plaid top with some like smocking on it. And that lettuce edge or whatever. Then in the kids stuff, I found a few cute things like this No Boundaries little hoodie, this little cargo style jacket, and this little lacy top. I like this black top, Madness. Found some cute 2000s tank tops. I love the little palm trees on this one, but it was stained. This like lace striped top, really different. I didn't get it, but cool. And this little light blue knit cardigan, super cute. And look at this funky polka dot print sort of cardigan top. Leopard print croc flats? I think yes. Starting off with this skirt with this like pleated bottom. And Union Bay always makes the best things with like pocket details. I like the pockets on that one. This polka dot dress was okay. This looks like nothing, but look at the ruffly pleats at the bottom. I love that little detail. A couple cute bags. Love the red color. Really like this brown one. Nice style too. Hello again. This paisley print, cheetah print zip up. Really nice. I didn't pick it up though. Okay, you guys. So I've made it to Goodwill. And I'm really excited because I've never been to Goodwill on Friday when they're doing like their dollar deal. My Goodwill just started doing it. So I'm really excited to see what I find. I did come earlier this week to see what color it was. It's purple. And I found a few things. I picked up a few things because it's half off. But a dollar deal, that sounds awesome to me. So let's hope some of those things are still here. These pants I really liked, and another little burgundy colored corduroy pant. And they were definitely part of the dollar deal. It was purple tags. I really want to find something like this with black on red polka dots, but this dress wasn't it. This vintage dress was beautiful. I'm kind of sad though because it had a tear in the front. But look at all the details. It's beautiful. And the color. This blue lacy dress, super cute. I love this like flare sleeve top with this little charm detail. Super cool. This is Zara linen vest. It's nice. I didn't get it though. I like this little button down top and a little polka dot button up top. Little Y2K halter top. I like the plaid and the ruffles down the shoulders and side. These jeans were cool. I like this little detail on the waist there. The pockets on this bag were nice. The hardware on this bag was nice. The shoes, I found these burgundy pointed toe flats with this little ribbon detail. Super unique. I like the turquoise beads on these little flip-flops. And the hardware details on these ankle Harley boots were pretty cool. I like the color combo of this top, a nice white long sleeve for summer, a little open knit lacy long sleeve top, and a black lace top. Here's a little try on. Here's that gray button down top. It was nice, but I didn't get it. Here's the flare sleeve top. I definitely got that. I love that. And I got these wide leg flare jeans. I really like them. They fit me good. This top was pretty quick. This polka dot top was cool. Kind of retro. I like this brown 9 West bag. I got that. And another red and black polka dot combo. Are you ready for round 2? Starting off with this Harley Davidson graphic top. I like that the graphic was down the sleeves. This Dooney & Burke bag was super cute. Love the little charm. I love this little bunny guy graphic on this top. And this cat eating ramen. It's so cute. This top was super unique. I like the cowl neck. I like the fringe trim. It's very different. Another little striped top. I love a good little 2000s cable knit mall brand kind of top. This pink lace top, it was okay. I like the tulle on this one and the little petals on the sleeves. This sort of embroidered poker graphic top was super cool. I did get that. A little sleeveless pink vest top and a striped little vest top. I like this one and the little floral patchwork on it, but it was kind of expensive. Another little gingham detailed top. Super cute little embroidered details on it too. A little 2000s Hollister mini skirt. I didn't get it. I didn't find that many cute skirts today. This would have been perfect with that white top I showed you guys a second ago. And this pink cable knit little skirt was super cute. So is this cream colored one. These polka dot pants were cool. And another little 2000s Old Navy piece, this kind of olive green sundress. Really nice. I like this Minnie Mouse little polka dot cardigan with the little bows. This is everything I picked up. I got these pink sweatpants for myself for just chilling. This nice little polka dot blazer. Little 2000s Hollister top. I didn't end up getting this top, but I like the studs on it. I like this little bolero top with these like satiny polka dots. This was like this silk polka dot tank top with these like pearl beads on the neckline. And this nice little vintage knit top. And I didn't get this. On my way out, I saw these red leather pants that I thought were cool, but I was leaving. This stop was pretty quick. I found this brown micro mesh tank top and this vintage Coach bag. It was expensive though, but it was super cool to find. Our last stop is Goodwill at the next town. Started in shoes. We found a couple neat shoes. I really like those beaded ones. Save the tatas. I like this like smocked Old Navy top and this green sort of knit top. This little lacy top, a couple denim tops. I love this yellow one. I loved this yellow one with the little button details. I like the colors of the stripes on that. Some more fun gingham tops. I found this red version. And then I found a blue version. I like this plaid little baby doll top. Super summery. This cowl neck, sort of ruffle sleeve top. I like this ruffle oversized tank. And this 2000s Venus flare sleeve blue lace top. So mermaid core. A nice patchwork skirt. A nice little blue skirt with this little pocket. This is giving Grease. I like these silk cream and blue gingham pants. A little red gingham capri with a little embroidered detail. These blue pants were nice. I like the tie waist and it was a linen blend. These chevron sort of knit pants were cool. And these vintage Wranglers with red contrast stitching were so awesome. I definitely got them. So here's a little try on. I loved this 90s Venus rose print. I love this Rampage polka dot skirt. I found these handmade skirts. This one was too tight, but the pink and blue one fit me just right, so I got those. I like the pinstripes on these, but not really a style I would go for. These linen brown pants were okay. I love these polka dot ones. Here's those Wrangler jeans. They fit me so good. I had to get those. This dress was super gorgeous. I love the handkerchief hem, and this dress was super nice too. The cowl neck, the burgundy color, so hot. I was disappointed this dress was too small. It was gorgeous. Look at the color. I liked the knit underbust with the pearl beads. This lace dress was super cute, but I don't know. It just didn't seem very flattering on me. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little thrift with me.